When you think of high-performance trucks, names like Raptor or Ram Rebel come to mind. But Ford just dropped something different, something bold, something street. Welcome to the future of pavement-pounding pickups, the 2026 Ford F-150 Lobo. The Lobo isn't just another trim, it's a full-on street truck package. Ford's answer to the growing demand for aggressive styling, performance presence, and that classic V8 roar, all while staying glued to the asphalt. This name might be new to many in the US, but it's got deep roots. Since 1997, the Lobo badge has been used on F-150 models south of the border in Mexico, where it's known for style, strength, and swagger. Now, Ford's bringing that legacy stateside with a vengeance. Right out of the gate, the Lobo grabs attention. This is no ordinary F-150. It rocks a 10-piece ground effects kit, a custom front bumper with a lower air dam, flared side skirts, and a dramatic cowl induction hood that screams performance. LED lighting upgrades include a grille-integrated light bar, updated headlights, and taillights borrowed from the Maverick Lobo, giving it that cohesive, high-end look. And those 22-inch gloss black wheels wrapped in Bridgestone Alenza all-season tires, they're not just for show. They're built for grip, control, and a smooth ride. It also gets dual exhaust outlets with black tips and exclusive F-150 Lobo fender badging, because when you've got style this good, you want everyone to know. You can choose your flavor of Fury with 5 bold colors: agate black metallic, Atlas blue metallic, carbonized gray, Oxford white, rapid red metallic, tinted clear coat, because looking like a beast means picking the shade that fits your attitude. Under the hood, the legendary 5.0-liter Coyote V8, 400 horsepower, 410 pound-feet of torque, and that unmistakable V8 growl. No forced induction, no hybrid systems, just raw, naturally aspirated muscle, mated to a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission and backed by a 4-wheel drive system with selectable modes, including 4L for low-traction situations. But don't confuse this with an off-roader. The Lobo's suspension is lowered 2 inches in the rear, giving it that slammed street truck stance. It's tuned for sport handling, not rock crawling. So yeah, you can still tackle snow or wet roads, but this beast was born for the streets. Despite its sporty focus, the Lobo doesn't sacrifice utility. With the 5.0-liter V8, it can tow up to 7,900 pounds and haul around 1,450 pounds in the bed. So whether it's weekend toys or work tools, the Lobo keeps its muscle car looks and real-world capability. Inside, the Lobo keeps things modern. Expect a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, a 12-inch sync touchscreen, and wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto. While there are no specific interior upgrades listed for the Lobo package itself, you're still getting the latest and greatest tech Ford offers in the 2026 F-150 lineup. The 2026 Ford F-150 Lobo is expected to start at around $59,995, including destination fees. That puts it roughly $4,700 more than a standard STX trim. But for what you get, it might be worth every penny. It'll be available in late 2025 or early 2026, so keep your eyes peeled at dealers soon. The Lobo fills a unique niche in the full-size truck market. It's not an off-road monster like the Raptor, and it's not a luxury liner like the Platinum. Instead, it's a factory-built street-focused truck for drivers who want bold styling, V8 power, and a lowered stance, without having to hit up a tuner shop. If you love the look of custom street trucks but want something straight from the factory with warranty and support, the F-150 Lobo could be your next obsession. What do you think of the 2026 Ford F-150 Lobo? Would you buy one? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another truck review.